Welcome, students, to part 5 of the plant cell 3D model. Without further ado, we're going to make the mitochondria, the mighty mitochondria. It's the powerhouse of the cell. I'm going to start with a new standard IPT. That's a part to you. And start a 2D sketch as customary on the XY plane. And I think I have it figured out approximately the size I need. So I'm just going to make a 1-inch line across the center of my origin. Enter. I'm going to move it also. I'm dragging it with my mouse to the center. Put a circle at the other end, and it's going to be 0.5 in radius. Here we go. Select another one. Stretch it out, 0.5, enter. I'm also going to put a line from tangent point to tangent point here. Put another line across the x-axis. And use the trim tool. I'm going to trim away parts that we don't need. The interior of these circles, the outside here. We just want this profile. Finish sketch, and we're going to revolve it 360. That makes the body. Select axis, select that, and then OK. Now I'm going to show you a trick how to bend. First, you got to go to the plane, and then you go to the browser on the left. You see the origin. You select plus, and then I'm going to use the XY plane. You can turn it 90 degrees. Grab this little yellow handle. This is customary to get it to stick. You move it a little bit left, then back to 0, and then click check. Now you have a plane that slices right through the middle of your mitochondria. And I'm going to make a bend line where I want my model to bend around. So I start a 2D sketch, click on the profile, and then I'm just going to click right down the middle, make a line. That's the line I want my mitochondria to bend around. Hit escape. There's my line, finish sketch. And here it says modify, bend part. I believe if you select that line, you can see my model's bending now. And if you look at these indicators here, they show, look, it's bending one direction. If I click this one, it bends both sides. And I can look at that and say, I think that looks about right. So I'll click OK, and there's a mitochondria. Now, if I also want to cut it in half, so since I still have this plane visible, I can start a 2D sketch yet again by clicking on the yellow perimeter line, make a rectangle that covers about half of the mitochondria, finish sketch, and now I'm going to extrude it. But really what I want to do is cut. So I want to go in both directions. As you can see here, it says direction. You can go both directions. And it looks like it's going far enough, but I want to cut. Here's the cut button. And then you click OK, and lo and behold, you've cut it in half. I don't think I need this anymore, so I'm going to right-click and turn visibility off. See? Look at it from top view. In order to make a little extra cell wall for detail, little mitochondria wall, you're going to go to Start a 2D sketch, Project Geometry. Click on Project Geometry. And in this, if you select the center here, your entire perimeter geometry is turned yellow. You can go to this Offset button, select that, select on your perimeter, and then move it in, and probably 0.05. Maybe that's okay. It could be a little thick. You can always go Control Z and try that again. Let's see what happens. Yeah, maybe 0.03, 0.03. Enter. That's about right. Your sketch and extrude. You can just select the wall portion that you want, and also shouldn't be 1 inch, but maybe 0.03 again. There you go. There you have a nice model of a mitochondria. However, there's some detail in the inside you can add. So again, start a 2D sketch, select right there, and use your spline tool to make some little squiggly designs inside. Takes some practice to do what I'm doing, but maybe you can get the hang of it. Try to go opposite of what you did before. Not gonna lie, this is very challenging. Finish sketch, and I'm going to extrude. Let's see, for some reason I have these yellow lines, but I'll select all the portions I want to extrude. That looks fine, so I'll select OK. And then I use that shell feature that I showed you about. Select here, and the 0.1 thickness is too much. I'm going to have to put like a small number, 0.01. Let's see. Maybe a 0.03. 0.03. Yes, that's what I want. Select OK. Accept. What is this? Looks good. Looks fine. For material, suppose you can try something blue, something textured. Slate blue? Maybe not. We're just looking for flaked satin, maybe. I think that's okay. Just stick with that. Flaked satin. Select File. Save as. mitochondria. And make sure you are saving into the proper folder called plant cell. See, plant cell. Mitochondria is the name of the file. Save. And that's a wrap. I hope this helps. Good luck.